elaborate on cradle-to-cradle systems where construction waste is recovered, reused or recycled, how companies maximize their returns with C2C systems. Well, in construction waste represents today 40% approximately of the worldwide waste generated, and governments are enacting more and more restrictive law in order to enforce material reuse somehow. So we observe raising up initiatives to actively reduce them. So initiative examples can be, for example, concrete makers, which are reusing the constructed concrete in order to decarbonate their slab. Or you'd even have, in fact, other slab makers which are today sourcing different materials, putting biosourced material inside their slab so that they make decarbonated, in fact, materials. Last examples, it's like the energy. The best waste is the one that you don't generate somehow. And with Dassault Systèmes, we are using virtual twins in order to anticipate all the constructions projects that you will be doing. And thanks to that, we are able to not cut or drill on site, but on the factory. And we have very enlightening examples with customers such Brick Constructions, where in Bangkok, we have been working on, I would say, installing concrete walls that were cut and adapted and drilled not on site and on the factory, which improves the safety, but also make 15% material sparing and reduce the scrappage.